As I record right now, PewDiePie is around about 1 million subscribers ahead of T-Series in the race to be the most subscribed to channel on YouTube. But YouTube themselves have just made a huge announcement that could massively impact this race, flipping it in an instant. And if you don't care about that, you should still care about the announcement because it could affect your chances of monetization. Let's take a look.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
First of all, you may be asking what's happened to your background, Rob. I'm actually on my travels at the moment. I'm back in the UK, so I'm not in the studio, but I'm having to make do with what I've got. Apologies for the lighting. But this was quite a big announcement that YouTube have just made about subscriber counts on channels, which could be affecting not only the largest channels in the world, but your channel over the next couple of days. This is because Team YouTube have just tweeted out that on December the 13th and 14th, you may see a noticeable decrease in your sub count as we remove spam subscriptions. If spam is removed, you'll see a YouTube Studio alert, and this should give you more confidence that the subs you do have are real fans. And it looks as if we already have some first-hand experience of this, losing nearly 800 subscribers on the 12th of December. Check your channel now and let us know if you've lost any subscribers. Now, this is nothing new. 3 or 4 times a year, YouTube will do what are known as subscriber purges on your channel, and that doesn't necessarily mean you've done anything wrong. You can't always control the people who subscribe to your channel, and if there are bogus accounts, it's good for YouTube to clean them out. But what is new is YouTube actually announcing this and posting a pretty detailed product forum post on the subject. In it, YouTube tell us that they've recently identified and fixed an issue that caused some spam subscribers to not be removed. So that kind of tells me that there could be a significant backlog of bogus accounts that have been on channels and haven't been removed for an extended period of time. So the warning is that you could expect a fairly significant subscriber purge. So what does this all mean for the subscriber race? Well, for T-Series, it's either going to debunk or prove that that myth is true about T-Series using sub-bots to gain such a huge audience. If YouTube are purging a lot of accounts, they're going to find a lot of sub-bots on T-Series' account, and, well, hopefully, for all you PewDiePie fans, that will see T-Series shrink into a tiny channel. On the other hand, for PewDiePie, very recently, there have been a lot of campaigns, rallies and support to get PewDiePie a lot more subscribers, and he's been getting 500,000 subscribers on some days, much more than his average, which was about 30,000 subscribers 2 or 3 months ago. So PewDiePie could suffer a huge loss as well, and given that he's about 1 million subscribers ahead, that could put T-Series in the lead overnight. For YouTube users and fans of the two channels, this is an intriguing plot twist, but what about video creators? Well, this could have a devastating effect. Looking at the product forum post further down, it asks, what if I've fallen below the YouTube Partner Program threshold of 1,000 subscribers as a result of the removal of these spam subscribers? Well, put simply, you will be removed from the Partner Program. And if you've been working months to get above 1,000 subscribers and then weeks and maybe months more to get your channel reviewed and monetized, that is quite a significant blow. So in the next 24 to 48 hours, there could be a huge fallout from all of this with plenty to talk about, or we could be worrying about nothing. A lot of people are going to be interested and excited, others worried and concerned. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll check this story out and let you know what happens in a few days. Enjoy the rest of your video making day. Bye for now.